Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is from my good friends at York Print Shop in Lombard, Illinois. This is a piece they produced for client MDRT, and this is for a special member reception that they were hosting, so it's an invitation. I think you're going to love just the format, some of the creativity, the coordinating envelope. There's just so many nice elements going on here. This piece was produced on the J-Press 720S over at York Print Shop. It's a inkjet digital press, so very cool. And I think you're gonna love this. I wanted you to start by seeing the envelope because they've got this really nice custom envelope. These were printed flat and converted. I love how distinctive this is in the mail, and I love that they carried this striped theme through in the invitation as well. And on the invitation, I don't know if you can see this, but this is a tipped on 3-ply surfboard. And so it's fugitive glued on. So light tack fugitive glue that peels off, and it's got a little message, ride the wave. It's got this neat message underneath, and you just get this little 3-ply surfboard. This is 2 sheets of 110-pound Cougar Opaque Smooth, and sandwiched between that is Neenah Astro Brights in plasma pink. So it's got this little kind of stripiness about it. It's really cool, and it's nice and thick. So you open it up, and it's a dimensional piece. You've got the MDRT that is die cut out, and through that you can see a surfer surfing a big wave on the other side. It's just nice and dimensional. It's basically, think of this as like a tall double parallel fold with a little right angle pop-up popping out in the opposite direction. So I'm going to take one apart for you in a second, but I just wanted you to see how this works. This is 80-pound cover, Cougar Opaque Smooth. So really nice how this works. I love the dimension, love the letters that come through, and kind of this tangibility, this nice little, you know, peeling activity as well. So I wanted you guys to see the way this works because it's so simple, and yet it's really, really smart. So these were die score, hand fold and tape. So I had to peel this apart. They gave me an extra, but it was sealed up. So I definitely made a mess of it, but you'll get a feel here for how this works. So as I said, it's like a double parallel. It kind of folds down. You've got this fold here and this folds here, but then these panels tape down and these panels tape down. And then you see here those 2 shorter panels in the middle that reverse out at a right angle, and that's how you can see through here. So taped down here, taped up here, and that's how you get that dimensionality. So very cool. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Creative pop-up double parallel. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, dial-ins, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.